Welcome to video number 2. It is the 24th day of the cat, 224, 112, 56, 28 cycles. We have 4 cycles right now on this day, the 9 lives of the cat. We have completed D. What I want to start right now is a comment that was made by, I'm not sure who, it seems like Ninth Heretic, but it was shared by another person. And this is what the design is, and it's something that we rarely ever see. And it's the Fibonacci 6, okay? The Fibonacci 9, you see this area over here? The Fibonacci 9 is when this area is up here. The Fibonacci 6 is when it's down here. So however you perceive to understand that, in a video I did yesterday, this is what it is. Now I want to show you something. Here's musical notes. And it's rare. We're always seeing this one over here. See the way they cut in the loop? This is where we loop it and we hold on to it. But irrelevant to the fact, this is what I want to show you. Musical definition notes. One is the upper one is the lower one, or one is the upper note, and one is the lower note. Same design. Musical notes and understanding your musical notes. Okay? I have not done musical notes yet. And sometimes I don't do certain things because I like to sit down and see what musicians say. I don't understand music yet. I haven't gone into music. I wish they made a 72-hour day so I'd never have to sleep. But I know I just can't sit here and plug away and not have any life at all. So I understand the totality of that. So Raphael, 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for the moment of thought. You are the mind and the memory, 512. Be the mind and memory. 1.25 times the totality is who we are with each other, which means a quarter more than anything at all. And there's not 75% missing. 1.25 is not 75 missing for 200. Okay, it's more or less how much does it take in order to get 1.25 to a maximum of a 2 value. It's not 75, it's more like 85. Okay, I know this, I'm into a part of the video, but just listen to this. 85 times 25. Is there a calculator here? I know I'm using up extra time. I think I put the calculator in my coat last night, so I'm going to put the calculator on board over here. Okay, and it's 1.25 times 1.85 equals to, no, that's not the right number, excuse me. How do I put this back to 0? No. I don't know how to put my calculator back to 0. That's pretty funny, eh? Clear. Okay, clear. 1.25 times, let's do it easier, times the value 1.75. See, the 75 is what's missing? Will equal to 218. So that's not good. Okay, let's clear it again. 1.25 times 1.65. It's even too much. So it's almost 1.60, right? 1.6 times 1.25 equals to exactly 2. So it takes 65%, 1.65%. over the 1.25 to bring it even. You see, the difference is in 0.75, excuse me, the difference in 0.25, okay, times the same number, 1.65 equals to 41, which means I only brought it up 25 to 41. In order to bring that 25, okay, 0.25 into 100%, I got to multiply it by 4.00%. I have to multiply 0.25 times 400 in order for it to be 100%. I need 40 times that. It's 40 times. It's plus 75. You're missing 75, which means you need 4 times what to equal to that dollar again. Do you understand the perception? If I don't use a 1 point, if I don't use the 1 in front, 0.65 times 1.25. That's why we're using 1 and 1, because we need the value of itself plus the 25% to make the multiplication. Now, I can't exactly explain how that works. I understand how it works in my mind, but if I multiply, if I need 50% over 50, it means I need 50% of 50. Watch this. 50 times, I need 50% of it, which means I'm adding on a quarter. 50 times 50 means you add on half of much of whatever it is added back to the 50. So instead of going 50 times 50, I go 50 times 1.50, and it is the 1 that brings the original number forward, and then it equals to 75. Raphael, 7286, in a constellation of Pegasus, understanding how the numbers work. Thank you for watching. So then again, let me not finish this. That means 1/4 of who we are multiplied by 1.5, or the letter O, which is in the ruling planet of Mars, is what brings us back to your 5775, which is equal to the ruling planet of Mars and the ruling part of inside the moon. Thank you.